We will be solving the word problems from linear equations in one variable. This video will focus on the conditions-based questions where you have a before and an after condition given to the same parameters. And let's see how can we solve such questions. Moving on to the first one. Question 1. Mukat has 5 times as many books as Usha. If Mukat gave 16 books to Usha, they would each have the same number. How many books did each girl have? Now, though the question looks a bit confusing, let's put it into two conditions, the before and the after condition. Before is something that happens at the beginning of the question, where Mukat has 5 times as many books as Usha. So we start with, let the number of books with Usha be x. So Mukat has 5 times as much as the books with Usha. So the books with Mukat will be 5x times, since it is 5 times, it's not 5 plus. Times stands for multiplication. So 5 multiplied by x giving you 5x. Now the if here is going to talk about another condition. So Mukat gave 16 books to Usha. So now how much books will Usha have? She had x before. Now Mukat has given Usha how many books? 16 books. So Usha is going to have x plus 16 books with her. At the same time, you should realize that Mukat is facing a loss of 16 books because from what he already had, he has given 16 to Usha. So the books with Mukat now is going to be 5x minus 16. Now the last part of the question. They should each have the same number. Here, the number of books with Usha should be equal to the number of books with Mukat. So your equation is going to be books with Usha is equal to the books with Mukat. So x plus 16 is equal to 5x minus 16. Solve for x. I'll be switching this x to the other side and bring this negative 16 to this part. So my equation is going to be 16 plus 16 equal to 5x minus x. So 32 is equal to 4x, and 32 divided by 4 will give me my x, which is equal to 8. Now back to the question. So how many books did they have before? So your x is 8. It says Usha had 8 books. At the same time, Mukat had 5 times 8, which is 40 books. This is your answer. If you want, you can do a checking here to see 8 plus 16 gives you 24. And 5 times x is 40. 40 minus 16 is again 24, which means your answer is right.